Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore W-9 and contractor data in DocuSign for tax season step by step clearly. To restore W-9 and contractor data in DocuSign for tax season, begin by logging into your DocuSign account. Navigate to the Templates section on the left-hand menu. Locate the W-9 template that you want to restore. Click on the template to open its details. In the template details, find the Manage button and click it. Look for the Restore option in the drop-down menu. Confirm your selection when prompted to restore the template. Once the template is restored, proceed to the Recipients section. Add or edit contractor information as necessary. Next, review the fields to ensure all necessary data is present. Once you have verified the information, save the changes to the template. To send the W-9 to contractors, navigate back to the Templates section. Select the restored W-9 template again. Click on the Use Template button to create an envelope. Input the recipient's email address in the designated field. Customize any additional message or subject line if needed. Click Next to proceed to the document editing screen. Review the document one last time to ensure accuracy. Finally, click Send to dispatch the W-9 to your contractor. Repeat this process for any additional contractors as necessary. Ensure you maintain a record of all sent W-9 documents for your files. Once completed, you will be ready for tax season with restored W-9 and contractor data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.